Day 2. The apocalypse continues. Our unlikely survivor, a polar bear, has somehow made it through the night. Against all odds, he remains alive, confused, and still hungry. Today's goals: water, shelter, and an attempt at fire without burning his fur off. Let's observe. Survival rule number 1. Water. Without it, even the strongest will fall in 3 days. The bear has found a puddle. Questionable. Luckily, we can demonstrate a simple filtration method using nothing more than trash, which, conveniently, the apocalypse has left everywhere. A plastic bottle, cut in half. Cloth, sand, charcoal, gravel. Layer it carefully and pour the dirty water through. What comes out looks better, but don't be fooled. Filtration removes dirt, not disease. A rookie mistake, he'll learn, or he won't. Rule 2. Shelter. Last night's accommodations were less than ideal. Tonight, he attempts an upgrade. Armed with a shopping cart, broken tarps, and sticks, he begins construction of what experts might call a lean-to. Essentially a tent, but sadder. A simple frame, angled against the wind. Insulation from scraps. It should work, in theory. Engineers might call this a failure. I call it character building. Fire. Humanity's oldest ally, or, in this case, polarities. Fuel, spark, oxygen, the recipe for survival. He tries the traditional way, sticks and friction, failure. He tries a magnifying glass, but clouds betray him. Finally, science provides chaos, a car battery and steel wool. Success. Fire at last. Sometimes survival is nothing more than applied chaos. And now, food. A can of beans roasted over the flames, still sealed. An explosion follows. Lesson learned. Open the can before applying fire. Day 2 ends with a small victory. Fire, filtered water, and a questionable shelter. Progress is slow, but survival is rarely glamorous. What new challenges await tomorrow? Only time will tell. In this world, every day survived is a miracle, or at least a comedy of errors.